What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we are taking the GT3 to its first car meet in my arms, I guess you could say. This is the last day we're gonna have it. I'm dropping it off after the meet, so I'm gonna get all my fun I want to get out of it on the way there. We're gonna enjoy the meet, and then we'll go drop it off and pick up the HOOPTIE, because surprisingly enough, deep in my heart, I do miss my Volkswagen Golf. So with that being said, let's go check out the last cold startup of the GT3 in the apartment garage. There she is, she's sleeping. Good morning. And good morning to everyone else in the surrounding area in 3, 2, we are almost to the meet, and there's the Bowlease. Oh, he's got he's pop trunk H-Town swanging. We just pulled up to the meet. We parked the GT3. This is my first time backing in, but we have the GT3. Then we have the new 991.2 GT3 RS. My big brother. In the lizard green color with the carbon fiber hood. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. That is just beautiful. We got a pretty good lineup. We got a red 720 and the purple LT from McLaren Houston. Got some other things and things over here. Volkswagen, new GTR, slammed BMW, and some modded Infiniti 370, and the Audi with the ski box. And those guys. This is pretty cool right here. Try to ignore the music. I'm not trying to get copyright strike. But this car right here is a possible contender for that guy's next car. So, what do you think about it? It's a wide body C6 with C7 headlights and a bunch of other mods that I don't know off the top of my head. But I think it looks pretty dang good. Look at the Squidward sticker. What is that car?
It's amazing, that's what it is.
It's a right-hand drive. Oh, they're making him park in the street, oh no. The squad is here, boys. Goodness gracious. No, you're good right now. Yeah, you're good. Look at that R8, that's sick. Big old wing.
Hell yeah, we don't do it big today.
They got the butterfly doors on the Huracan. This is the second one we've seen.
Oh my god.
What do you guys think? Should that be a thing? We might not have very much time left at this meet, but what do you think of all the white cars and then the two McLarens? Then we have our side of the show, the murdered out squad. And then some very brightly colored cars. That is crazy. And I think his front's open.
Oh shit, yeah, his front's open. For the HRE.
It flies down.
Oh.
Alright, well, we just got a text, so we gotta go. So maybe this guy will take my spot, but time to roll. Guys, I didn't want to have to say this, but this is the last time we're gonna get to see the GT3 out on the road. We're filling it up. We're gonna fill it up for the next person because someone's gonna come rent it. To be courteous and kind, so let's do this. Casual. Hey, that may be from where I got this car. The last startup.
And it still sounds so good.
Alright guys, it's home.
This is so sad.
Okay, I'm getting everything out of the car. Got my chargers. Oh, I need my garage opener. I think that's it. I think we're good. Anything in the back here? I don't think so. All right, time to give her back. All right, guys, good news. We got it. Oh, it doesn't. Ah! Just kidding, my car doesn't even lock. So, there it is. I'm surprised somebody didn't rent it out. I mean, look, you got your BMW, you got your Mercedes, and you got the Sinclair Photomobile, but it feels good to be back. Now I don't have to be stressed about scraping about everything. All right, here we go. I'm spinning tires, I'm doing a burnout. Oh, we're going 40, 50. Oh, I miss it already. All right, guys, we're back in Cyprus. I'm sad I had to let that car go, but probably we'll get to experience it again in the future. But for now, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the whole GT3 series on the channel. About to get some lunch, head home, and edit all of these. I got like 5 videos. This will probably be the last one you see, though. So I hope you enjoyed them all. If you did like the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.